All right, boys and girls, here we are. We have day number 7 of our December daily math. Let's begin. Number 1, what number am I? An 8 in the tens place, a 2 in the hundreds place, and a 4 in the ones place. So here we go. We're going to go back and do a little place value review, right? So let's start with 8 in the tens place. So I look at the tens place, hundreds, tens, ones. There's an 8. A 2 in the hundreds place. Again, hundreds would be first in this one, so there's a 2 there. And a 4 in the ones place. 284 is our number. Now it says write this number using words. Okay, we could probably use the back of our blue folder. Otherwise, let's just write our numbers down here. Let's say it first, 284. Okay, so let's start with 200. So we have 200, uh, 80, and I'm out of room there, so 284. All right, so there's our number, 284, written out in words. All right, number 3 says 25, the big star there. Circle all that equal 25. Okay, 25 times 1. Well, our times 1, we know is always that number, right? It's like the mirror. So that one is 15 plus 10. We add 10 to that. That's 25, right? 5 plus 0 is 5, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So 5 times 5. 5 fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 30 minus 10. Take 10 away from that. Oh, that's 20. No. 50 minus 25. Take 25 off of that. Got to borrow from next door. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. That's 25. So 50 minus 25 works. 25 times 0. Oh, remember 0 turns everything into itself. It's a 0, right? That's like the king. So there's a no-go on that one. But those 4 all equal 25. Number 4. Jake eats dinner at 6 o'clock. A.M. or P.M.? Now, is it breakfast, lunch, or dinner, right? So this says dinner, which would be kind of more in the evening. So we would think P.M. for that, right? And I like to think pre-midnight. So right before midnight. 6 o'clock would be just before midnight. Favorite pet? Dog, cat, gerbil. I see the numbers. There's 4, 6, 10. Okay. Mr. Murphy's class voted for their favorite pet. Which animal got the most votes? Oh, right there. The dog did. That bar comes over the furthest. It goes all the way over to 10. The dog. All right, boys and girls, there you go. That is day number 7 of your December daily math. We'll see you tomorrow.